Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a blind bag. Materials are a paper, a scale, a pen, a thin pen, that thin pen, and a sketch pen. You can never forget some colors, scissors, tape, glue, and the materials that you're going to put in. First, we were going to need a paper. You need to put it horizontal and fold it. Hehe. Bro. Okay. Since you have folded it, now this is side A, this is side B. You need to flip it and get the markers ready. First, you're going to use a sketch pen, okay? Side A, and this is at side A. You're going to write the stuff you need to put. And also, don't forget to make a price thingy. Now you're done with side A. You got to move to side B. We are still going to use the sketch pen for part A. We are going to draw the border for the writing of the glass. I did it. Now I know it looks bad, but you can do it much better with like this. I know I did bad, but it's fine. Who cares? Now we're gonna do it with this pen. The details. Na-na-na. Done with the details. Well, yeah, duh. Anyways, now we're gonna go back to the sketch pen and draw 5 circles. That's done. We're gonna take the small pen again, get the details ready. Well, that's done. We are gonna write common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. Also, don't forget to write the percentage. Since that's done, we are gonna get with the coloring. We'll need brush pens, or if you don't have brush pens, you can use sketch pens. We are gonna need some colors, which are for the circle. Okay, the colors for the circle are for common, light green, for uncommon, yellow, for rare, we have orange, for ultra rare, we have blue, and for a legendary, we have purple. We're gonna use these. Done. And for the topic, we're gonna use sketch pen. You can use any type of sketch pen you want. I'm gonna use this cute little light blue sketch pen. AKA my favorite skull color. Done. We're done with this. Now we need some tape. We gotta tape this side and this side, not this side. And if you get extras up here, get your scissor and cut it. Now since that is done, we are going to put our hand inside to make space, like that. Okay? Now we're going to get the inside, what we're going to put inside. Put the collector's guide. put the warning, and put the toy, which is so fun to play with. Now we're gonna get our glue. Now, since we have our glue, we're going to not tape, we're gonna put glue inside this, like this. Now, perfect. And it's done. It's perfectly done. Don't forget to cut the extra pieces, which will be there in the end. And your blind bag is officially done. Looks so good, right? If you liked to do this, then please smash that subscribe button and like this video. Bye!